As your UGC or creator business grows, your finances can get messy fast, especially if you're working with international clients from around the globe. Before I discovered better options, my setup looked like this. PayPal for invoicing clients, a business account with the bank, an Excel sheet to manually track expenses, and my credit card for, to pay everything from editing softwares and subscriptions. Now it worked, but it was messy, slow, and expensive. Every time I got an international client, I lost money to unnecessary FX and international transaction fees, and had to wait days or even weeks to be paid as overseas clients figured out my bank's SWIFT code. I also had no clear visibility of how much I was earning and spending for my UGC business since I was paying from out of my personal credit card and tracking expenses manually on an Excel sheet. Not to mention the yearly tax headaches and the monthly maintenance fees for my business account with the bank. Now, a setup like this is not only frustrating, it's also not sustainable for a growing creator business. Now, after researching better ways to handle international clients, I found Airwallex, which is a platform that consolidates all your business finances into a single dashboard. So no more PayPal fees, dealing with the bank, or managing a tedious Excel sheet. And if you're a creator working with multiple international clients, this is the setup that I would recommend to grow your business. So here's the setup that I would recommend. Open a business bank account so you can say goodbye to bank queues, international transfer fees, and endless waiting for your payment. First, sign up for an Airwallex business account, which is completely free to start on their Explore plan. There are no account opening fees, monthly maintenance charges, or minimum transaction requirements. Now, just a caveat here, you will need to be a registered business in order to use Airwallex. But if you're serious about treating UGC as your career rather than just a side hustle, registering your business is something that I would definitely recommend. Now, once you've signed up for a business account at Airwallex, you can go ahead and set up global accounts, which essentially just forms your multi-currency wallet. This allows you to easily hold over 20 plus currencies that international clients typically pay you in instead of forcing everything back into your home currency. So you can keep the money in the currency you were paid in, spend later in the same currency, or choose to convert only when you want at interbank rates, helping you save on inflated FX and transaction fees you typically get from the bank. Also, you can create global accounts with local bank details in markets like US, UK, EU, Australia, Hong Kong, or Singapore. So your clients can pay you like a local business across 70 markets, meaning no more SWIFT code, and you can expect the payment instantly after your clients send them out. Now that your account has been set up, let's start invoicing clients. So in order to elevate your UGC profile, I'd highly recommend having a clear and professional invoice template. You can create invoices with Airwallex and send them globally. All the statuses of these invoices like sent, paid, unpaid, and void are visible from your billing dashboard. Now, if you're just starting out, you can ask brands to do a bank transfer directly to your global account in your invoice, but what I'd recommend is to use a payment link instead. Payment links give your clients much more flexibility in the way they pay you and come off as more professional. With Airwallex, you can easily generate payment links and accept payments from 180 plus countries and process payments with all major schemes like Visa, MasterCard, and Amex, and 160 plus local payment methods, allowing you to easily work with international brands. So you can also ensure the payment link is branded with your own domain, logo, and name for embedding it directly into your invoices. Now, why use Airwallex over PayPal to generate your payment links? PayPal is great if you're still starting out and only working with local brands. But when you work with international clients, Airwallex lets you settle payments like for like in your multi-currency wallet. For example, a client pays you in USD and you can leave it in USD. Similarly, if a client pays you in EUR, you receive EUR into your Airwallex multi-currency wallet rather than converting immediately into your home currency. This avoids unnecessary conversion fees and gives you control over when and how you move your money. Next, to better manage your business spending, I would recommend keeping your business expenses organized and separate from personal accounts. Now, this gives you a much better sense of what your business finances actually look like. Instead of using your personal credit card, you can issue virtual corporate cards instantly and use separate cards for things like paying for ad campaigns, filming equipment, and software subscriptions. And if you have a team to support your business, you can even issue employee cards and set spending limits and category restrictions so you don't have to worry about unnecessary spending risk. To set this up on the dashboard, you go to corporate cards, hit virtual cards, create new card, enter the card purpose, set a nickname so you remember what it's for, and even choose to set it a single or multiple use. The card is then ready to use instantly. Virtual cards give you control over spending, and because it's linked to your Airwallex multi-currency wallet, you also avoid FX fees and foreign transaction fees if you're spending in foreign currencies. All card expenses are also automatically tracked with Airwallex's built-in spend management platform, so you don't have to manually calculate how much you're spending for your business every month. If you're getting any value from this video so far, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more creator and business content just like this. Now, once your payment and expenses are flowing through Airwallex, the next step is reconciliation, aka making sure that every transaction is accounted for in your books. So traditionally, this meant downloading CSV files and manually matching invoices and receipts across separate dashboards. That could take hours, and with Airwallex, that is automated. So here's how that works in practice. On the Airwallex dashboard, simply go to Accounting Integrations, then select your software like Xero, NetSuite, or QuickBooks. And transactions from your multi-currency wallet and corporate card expenses flow directly into your accounting software. Every payment and expense is automatically recorded, so you don't have to manually enter anything. You can also quickly verify and categorize your transactions inside your accounting software. So for example, mark software subscriptions as operating expenses or travel gear as capital expenses. And that's basically it. At the end of the month, you can see exactly what you earned, what you spent, and what you saved without manually juggling spreadsheets or downloading data from multiple platforms. It's fast, it's accurate, and it's stress-free. Now, by consolidating everything into one modern Creator Money setup, you save hours every week, avoid unnecessary fees, and finally get a clear view of your entire business finances. And if you want to simplify your workflow as a UGC creator, keep more of what you earn, and set up your own 2026 Creator Money system, click the link in the description below to open your free Airwallex business account and start building your all-in-one setup today. If you found this video helpful or useful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video from me. Thanks so much for watching and keep building your dream.